What is Zapier and how does it work? Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you what is Zapier and how it works. So let's get into it. Now, for those of you who don't know, Zapier is a automation tool that can help you automate a few stuff in your day-to-day work. So for example, you can create shortcuts which are known as Zap, and they can allow you to, automate some of your tasks. So for example, like this one, this is a pre-made template, of course. What this does is it saves a new Gmail attachment to your Google Drives. For example, if we open it up, so this is going to be triggered, right? As soon as you receive a new attachment within your Gmail, it is going to be automatically uploaded within to your Google Drive and saved. So this is what is known as a small zap or a shortcut. So we can create our own custom shortcuts as well. So for example, if we simply come over here onto Zapier home, if we click on these three bars on the sidebar, we'll open it up. And over here, we can create a zap, right? Over here are going to be zaps, but we don't need that because we're going to create our own zap. So we're going to click on create, click on zap. Now over here, when X happens, do Y, then do Z. You can go ahead and generate that. But yeah, over here is going to be a trigger. So let's set up a trigger. So let's set up something simple, right? So let's say we have a Google Drive, right? And whenever someone uploads a something on the Google Drive, it is saved within a Google Sheet. It is a link is uploaded, or the name is uploaded within Google Sheet. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll click on Google Drive. Google Drive is going to be the trigger, and over here is going to be an event, new file in folder, right? Whenever a new file is in a new folder, it is going to trigger it, and then we have the following action. So right here, I have chosen my Google Drive and I've chosen the folder. Now I'll just simply click on continue. And now is going to be the trigger. You can test your trigger as well. So it's testing. All right. I can just simply go ahead and upload a new file. So this is the folder. I'll just simply upload a file. There we go. A file has been uploaded. Now we'll come over here and test the trigger. There you go. A new file has been uploaded and we have all of the, recent, everything that is recorded of that. So the test is cleared. Now what we need to do is we need to continue with the selected record, and now we need to select an action. Now the action could be anything. It could be a message, it could be an email, it could be a Google Doc, Google Calendar, or anything, right? So let's say Google Sheets. Right now we select Google Sheets. Now we're going to add in an event. So we're going to select this one, create multiple spreadsheet rows, and click on continue. And we're going to sign in with the Google account. We're going to click on continue, and we're going to choose the drive. We're going to select the spreadsheet. I'm going to create a new spreadsheet as well. So this is the sheet that I created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this sheet right here. This is the sheet. There we go. Now we just choose the value, sheet 1. We're going to select that. And now we're just simply going to click on continue. And we're going to click on test step. And this is how I do it. And now if we come over here, as you can see, the file has been added, but the text is way too big. So we'll just, lower it. And I think that looks good. Yeah. Now we just need to format the text, but yes, everything looks good. We need to select that. Yeah, and as you can see, we have the file name over here. So looks pretty good. Now all we need to do is click on publish. And now whenever we upload any file onto our drive, it is automatically going to be uploaded to our sheets as well as a zap. So that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you use Zapier. And that is how it works. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.